Do you need to sell your house in the East Bay area, California? Well, if you do, come check us out, because we have some great options here for you. We can buy your house. Even if an agent can't sell your house, we can help. And we know that sometimes selling a house through a real estate agent is not for everyone. And as a bonus, you don't need to clean up and repair your property. Also, don't waste time finding an agent who you trust, who can deliver on their promise of selling your house quickly. We're the guys. You won't need to sign a contract that binds you to an agent for a certain term. And another bonus is that you don't have to deal with the paperwork and the waiting and wondering and hoping. We know that we can help you very quickly. And unlike selling through an agent, you don't have to wait to see if the buyer can get financing. We're ready to buy right now. Come visit us online and check out our site. We've got some great insight here for you and lots of options.